Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Little trick here that you might not think about. If we wanted these rings to be interlocking like this, and we don't want to use math to tell us, let's draw a 24-inch circle. I got my ratio lock, then hit P. And then if we take this one right here and put it in the center, and we control D and make a duplicate and put it in the center rotation and rotate it 10 degrees. You've got to rotate it something by that'll I normally draw in hairline. You can see that they're not touching, and that's a no-no. But in this case, it doesn't really matter because what we're going to do. So we're going to take this one, and don't forget to, when you're using the transformation docker, you have to put it in the center. I just use this the same 10 degrees. So we're going to go to Windows, Dockers, Transform and Transformation. See, it's still up 10 degrees at 35, and we have that. Now let's take away our circle, which we really didn't need. And you can see that they're not touching. Well, one thing we can do, we can select them all and make them a thicker line. Let's make them 2 points and just kind of look at it. They're kind of touching, but not really. So let's select them all again. They're already selected. Let's make it 4 points. Now that pretty much looks like they're connected, but what you've got to do now is select them all and go up to Object and convert the outline to an object. And then you can left click, right click, and look at this. They are interlocked pretty equally, about as good as you can get it. Then you could take the whole thing, select them all, and weld it. And by doing that, you have interlocking circles, and you didn't have to measure. I mean, the old way I used to do it, I used to sit here and expand the circle a little bit more and then move it over and move it back and to get this effect. But this is pretty cool when you can do it just by converting it to an outline. Let's actually make it red. Take away the outline. I always like doing this lately. I take the interactive fill tool and make it really stand out. Just kind of go across, put yellow here. Doesn't look that outstanding because it's not that thick, but put a black box around it, go up to Object, Order, Backup Page, and it's okay. It's nothing outstanding, but look how they're interlocked. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.